Welcome to Conversion Van headquarters of Dallas, Texas. What we have here today is a 2023 Ram Promaster 3500 1-ton 9-passenger conversion van with less than 2,000 miles. Has 1,980 miles. It's got a clean Carfax, no accident history. The van is absolutely stunning. It's gray metallic. Let me get up close to it. You can see it sparkle. It's absolutely gorgeous. And it has a wrap on the top. So it's black, so it's gray and black. Really looks sharp with that two-tone look. It's got aftermarket wheels. This is a beautiful, beautiful van. Let me show you a little bit here on the driver's side. Let me open up that door. Both the driver and the passenger seat will both swivel, which is just awesome. Same thing with the 2 rows of captain's chairs behind it. They'll swivel 360 degrees. We got blue LED lighting up above. I'll show you a little bit more of that once we get there to the back. It's got a separate rear AC and heat made by Twin Air. They are the leaders in HVAC on these Ram Promasters. I wouldn't want to go with any other unit. Again, this is a 1-ton, so they can haul all 9 adults with cargo. Look at that shine, absolutely beautiful. It's got leather seating with white diamond stitching. It's got a sliding door. And what I really love is the hardwood looking floors. It's actually vinyl plank, but it's perfect for cleaning up those messes. You don't have to get out the carpet shampooer. It's got an LED TV, and it's got JBL speakers, and it has a Jensen rear entertainment, with the built-in DVD / Blu-ray player. Each seat has their own cup holder. It has cell phone chargers. Very well thought out van. Now I'm gonna get you here to this back area and show you all of the cargo space. You're gonna be floored on how much space this vehicle has. This is the extra long in the Ram Promaster, but it has got a ton of space. It's got tweed-like siding here on the side. It looks really sharp. And then we've got a little sofa that'll turn into a bed with the press of a button electronically. For those of you that are 6'2" or taller, such as myself, if I were to sleep on this, I would take these 2 captain's chairs right here. I would swivel them 180 degrees, and then my feet would span and sit on top of those. But there is a lot of space here, whether you're using it for your daily driver, taking the kiddos to school, or if you're going to Disney World, if you're taking the kids to baseball practice, football, softball, there is plenty of room. You got blackout shades on all the windows in here. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I'm gonna put this bed back up. I'm 6'3" and I can stand straight up in this vehicle. Let me demonstrate that here for you. I'm 6'3" and I'm standing straight up. Here we got storage up here in the high top area. You keep your books, all your knickknacks. Here are those little cell phone chargers I was talking about a little bit earlier. And you got JBL speakers here. You got the rear air conditioning vents and heat. Really nice sound system, y'all. You can touch, it's got a touch screen, radio, infotainment system. Still has the plastic on virtually everything. TV still has plastic, just never been used. This van is like new. Got a little cell phone charger right here, a little bank. You just put your cell phone there and it'll automatically start charging. I also like that on the rear view mirror, you can set it to just, you know, to cast the image there on the back of the vehicle. You can do it while you're in reverse. You can do it while you're driving down the freeway, so you can always see who's behind you, if they're tailgating you too close or what have you. Here's that rear Jensen entertainment system. Again, the LED cup holders with real wood top. Folks, this is the van. Very, very nice. You won't find another one this nice with this few miles with clean Carfax history. Absolutely beautiful. Let me just walk around this one more time. Give us a call today, 469-272-7781. Again, my name is Jeff Seib with Conversion Van Headquarters. Looking forward to speaking with you. Thank you.